This how you get that work out of them, baby. Put them to work. Got them both going. Wide open. What's this man here? About time I get here on a big Monday morning, probably wide open. He don't never do this, you know what I'm saying?
He's in the house.
Yeah, he's trying to get home. I knew it was something, you know what I'm saying? I knew it was something. That man's ready to get to the house, Pa. That's why he's wide open. It used to be tap, 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 tap. Today, pop, 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 pop. Get on, baby. I like to see you work that stand up. You don't? Get off, big wheel. You need a light on the end of your nose.